Okay, so the big picture for this lesson, it's fractions and decimals. So first off, it's all about the different ways to represent a mixed number, for example. Here it is as a mixed number, 3 1/5. Here is a visual model for 3 1/5. You see 3 full bars and then another 1/5 of a bar. There's another way to represent this in fraction form, and I'm going to convert it to an improper fraction to do that. Basically what you do is you do 3 times 5 and then add the numerator, so plus 1. So it's 3 times 5 plus 1, and that's all divided by the denominator 5. So 3 times 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16, so it's 16/5. That's the same thing as 3 1/5. And what you'd be doing basically is taking the visual model here and then dividing these all up into fifths. And if you went through and do all that, that's 16/5. So that's basically what we just did. How would you write this as a decimal? Well, there are a couple ways. One way is you could just put it in a calculator, and I will tell you. Or you could also take this 3 1/5 and you can divide the 1/5. So 5 divided by 1, basically, 0.000, let's say. And then you just go ahead and do your division. And bring the decimal point up here. 5 goes into 1 0 times. 5 goes into 10 twice. Then 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract and you get 0. Bring down a 0. 5 is going to 0 0 times. You're just going to repeat the pattern. So basically, this 1/5 is 0.2. So to make 3 1/5 into a decimal, you would do 3 plus 0.2, which is 3.2. Okay, so that means 3 1/5 is the same as 16/5, is the same as 3.2, and is also the same as this visual model right here. That's the big picture for this lesson.